We just bought this for our camping and hiking and even our camp. It's a portable power station by GoLabs, an R300 portable. I got it on Amazon, was $100 off. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. Let's unbox this and have a look, see what it comes with. So it says that it will charge a laptop 5 times. It has an inverter in there. It's a battery, a lithium-ion battery, but has an inverter built into it. So it says it will charge a laptop 5 times, smartphones 24 times, camera gear, drones, all this. So we're kind of hoping that being out by the fire and that we tend to like movies a lot. So we watch a lot of movies on an old laptop, and the battery's not that great, so it dies. Having it plugged in, this is going to be a lot better, I think, and will last a lot longer, and we should be able to get through a movie. Let's have a look at it. A little surprise card. What's that say? Please don't hesitate to email us. So that's a big surprise. Wow. Okay. A little manual. That looks like that'll be all right. But who needs a stinking manual? And it comes with all the gear for charging other things in other ways. So it's a cigarette lighter adapter there. Take a look at those a little closer in a minute. Be interesting to see how long this takes to charge. So that's the charging station. So the charging is 15 volts, 3.2 amps. So the red light means it's charging, green light means charge full or disconnect. So should be interesting. These little rigs are pretty cool. You know, you think about it, you look at the picture on Amazon, and I don't know, I just thought it was going to be a lot bigger. That's crazy. So, let's see. So that's got it also has the USB-C, and it's got the USB 3.0 ports. So to me, that's a bonus, because a lot of the older ones that you see like this stuff, it's like 1.2 and 2. Having the 3 is you know, for devices that can take it, is a lot better. Yeah. I guess I need to charge this. It's probably not, doesn't have a charge in it by the looks of this. Oh, 89% full. Well, that's interesting. Okay. So I guess I'll have to learn how to use this. And you can turn the AC on. USB on and off. Wow, you can really control what is powered on. So that's the AC. USB, so there's power buttons to turn these on and off, so they're not wasting energy. So that's pretty cool. Well, I'm really looking forward to this. Going to charge it up. We're camping this weekend. In fact, it's our first camping trip of the season, and I'm really excited about it. This is going to be a big bonus. You know, we hate starting up the generator just to charge laptops and stuff like that. I can't stand it using the generator. I mean, sometimes you need to, but my preference is not to, so that's why we got this. I think this is going to be a big addition, so stay tuned. We'll see how it looks. I flipped it over and saw that there's a light on the back. And like a bonehead, I was looking right at it when I pushed the button. And it's pretty bright. So it's got a couple of different modes here. Enough to give me a stroke or a seizure. But yeah, and you know what? This is pretty light. I mean, might be 5 pounds. I don't know. It's not very much. I'll have to look it up to see just exactly how much it weighs. I don't know if it says in the box anywhere. But no, but it's really not that heavy, so this is great. I'll even be able to use this. I don't know if I'll need it in the boat. I won't need it in the boat actually, but anyway, we'll see. This is going to be a lot of fun to test this out, and we'll check in with you when we get to the campground so you can see how it works. So I thought we'd finish up the little unboxing of my GoLabs. We've had it now for, we've been camping here the last 4 nights, and it has powered my laptop unbelievably. So it's great. We watched 3 hours worth of movies at the campfire, and with an old laptop, and it I mean, I think that it only used up 30% after 3 hours. But we'll give you a little quick tutorial on it, a little quick look. Power is there, and there's a little display comes up. It tells you that right now this will run at this state for 99 hours. Of course, there's no power to anything yet. You have some DC outputs. You have USB outputs along with USB-C. These are 3.0 milliamps, so you know, these are amazingly fast USB if your device can handle it. And of course, if your device is just a 1.2 or whatever, I mean, it'll adjust. But at least you have the power if you have a device that can do more. In each of these banks you can turn on and off. So right now I'll turn on the AC for my laptop, and you can see how many watts that it's using up. So this is just and my laptop is on. I'm not logged in. I'm not really doing anything with it, but maybe what I'll do, I got my work laptop here, so let me log in with my work laptop. And you can see exactly what happens here. If I can remember my password. So right now the computer is logging in, and I'm solely powered by this. And once the laptop finishes loading and settles down its power consumption, right now it's still booting, so it's taking some power, but you can see from my laptop right now, at this stage I should get 8 or 9 hours, keeping in mind that the battery of the laptop is good for probably 2 hours. So you know, you start looking at things like that and say, well, the battery on the laptop is good for 2 hours, so you easily get 8-10 hours of time with this. So my laptop's still booting up. You can see it's drawing a little bit. Once it settles down, I think you'll see that I'm going to get a much longer consumption. And my laptop thinks it's plugged into power, so it's not even using the battery. It's actually charging it, checking it. So now things are starting to settle down. So if you think about it, right now I'll get 14 hours with the laptop, plus I get 2 hours out of the battery. So what are we getting now? Like 18 hours, you know. So it's going to fluctuate, and every time I do something, the more I do with the laptop and the more power that it's drawing, of course, the less it's going to last. But you can see I think that's really, really, really good for a little battery. And look, I mean, this thing hardly weighs anything. It might weigh 5 pounds. It's really quite amazing. Let's stick the cell phone in on this and see how this works. So we'll charge my cell phone as well. So now we're charging both cell phone and the laptop. And my cell phone, I wanted to make sure it required a charge. It's at 86%, so it is charging. So it's hardly put a dent in the consumption of this battery pack. So we figured we could get the whole weekend out of this. You know, not have to run the generator. This is great. Like, I think this is a really great addition. So this one was on Amazon. I think it was $299. It was $100 off. It's made by GoLabs. I'll have the link in the description so you can see exactly what it is, the one that we bought. We're really impressed with it. So highly recommend it. If you're doing a lot of camping or off-grid stuff, this would be great for our camp, to take deer hunting, and maybe even take to the deer stand. Could take a laptop and watch movies from the deer stand. Oh my! Anyway, this is great. So anyway, I thought you guys would want to see this. I think this is a great addition for camping or anybody who does any outdoor work. These little power stations are really amazing and efficient. So check it out. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Just mention it in the comments and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.